eBird status and trends is where you get to see how your bird sightings help scientists assess bird populations. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything this feature has to offer, so let's dive in. So to explore eBird status and trends, the first thing that you need to do is type in a species name. We'll go with willow flycatcher, and this first map is going to show us willow flycatcher abundance. As you can see over here, the season's timeline. Red is breeding season, blue's non-breeding, and then the different yellows are pre-breeding migratory season and post-breeding migratory season. You can turn these either off or on. We'll just leave them on for now. Then you can select every country that this species has been reported in. So this is just kind of nice to tell, like, generally where a species is at. It also tells you their relative abundance compared to other species. The next part of their status and trends is weekly, where you get to see each week of the year as species either migrate north or south. So we're just going to play this. It's going to show you the abundance. Lighter yellow means less, and darker means more. Then they go back down for the year. So this can help you by zooming in. You can see when a certain species is expected to arrive at your location in the summer, and then when they are expected to depart. The next part in here is the trends, where you get to see their abundance trend, whether it's increasing or declining. Red, of course, means declining, and then the darker the red means more decline. This is just based on eBird reports. This is where your reports help scientists assess bird populations and zoom in to see the actual percentage of decline in this certain area. Scientists can use this to monitor bird populations and see where conservation might be needed. The next part is the range map. As you can see, this is pretty similar to the abundance map. Shows you post-breeding, non-breeding, breeding season. Just when a certain species is expected. As you can see, it nails it down to the dates. It's nice to know when a species is expected for your area. So they have a lot of species in this feature. You can browse all of them here by family. Total of 2,279 species are in eBird status and trends. So there's an overview of eBird status and trends. If you have any questions about eBird or birding in general, leave those in the comments below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to see my full eBird tutorial, go ahead and click on the screen right now and it will take you directly to that.